first is first, I want to thank OPM Feedman for trusting us to be part of your journey in our collaboration soon. Yes, and secondly, I want to thank all the people who pumunta here. Maraming salamat po sa mga press, media, everything. Maraming salamat po. And keep supporting us. Yun na po. Thank you very much. And follow Echo Jump Productions in Facebook. Yun lang. Thank you very much po.
Okay, Chad.
Yes, Echo Jam, thank you so much and for the trust. And of course, yung mga kayo lahat, maraming salamat. At sana ito yung pinaka-starting ng lahat, no? Kumbaga, kick-off namin ng OPM Hitmen. And we're glad. We're so happy na we're under Echo Jam. Maraming salamat.
Rani.
Thank you very much. Excited po kami. May isang tumbling na lang, makukuha na namin ang aming discount cards. I can't wait. Alam mo, I can't wait. And I know that as we enter the next phase of our lives, we'll be in good hands. And I think we'll be matagal bago kami talaga tumanda because we'll be very active from here on. So thank you to all the friends from the press. Thank you for always being there for us. And we remember you. Thank you for always being there. Salamat po.
And of course, the one and only Richard Reynoso na may concert sa September 26 sa Chatrino.
Produce din ng Echo Jam.
Oh, yes, of course. Invite mo sila, Richard.
Sige, pero bago yan, I would like to thank all our friends from the press who came over and braved the storm. At yung sama ng panahon, they're still here and maraming salamat. I would like to personally invite you on September 26. Please do spend some time with us. Rani and Chad will also be with me there. Yun po yung RR40 Timeless Memories. 40 years na po. Actually, 39 lang. Tinuloy ko na lang ng 40. Kasi nabalitaan ko, yung mga chick daw, hindi ganyan eh. So,
round off.
tinuloy na namin. I'm just so happy that Echo Jam took the challenge and kinuha ang OPM Hitmen para i-manage and at the same time sila rin na nag-produce ng RR40 sa Teatrino. Let's just make it official. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just proud to say that OPM Hitmen, the OPM Hitmen, finally found a home. At yung bahay na yan, at pangalan po niyan, Echo Jam Entertainment Productions.
Final word. Salamat sa pag-suporta sa OPM Hitmen, pero sana huwag nyo rin nakalimutan silip-silipin ang mga solo endeavors ni Richard at ng akin po. Nakikita nyo naman yan sa Facebook. So, please support us not only as a group, but even as individuals because gano'n naman kami, nagsusuportahan. Sana kayo rin gano'n. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And again, congratulations. Echo Jump